it. I've been here once before. Let's see what we got. Oh, last time it was way messier. Yeah. No, oh, no, it's definitely still messy. A lot of water there. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to get in here. Who's got the key? So who's got the key? What? There's a lock down there on the gated? Yeah. Why yeah, that's where the drain is.
Oh.
It's there's like a little gate.
There is a drain on our side.
Yeah?
Yes, there is.
You know where it is?
I mean, it's
in the water?
Mm-hmm.
I'll try it. If there's a drain back there, I should be able to do it from there. Last time I did it from behind the fence, but I can try to do it from there. No big deal. Let's try and find the drain with this. Found it. Yep, there's the clean out. I don't want the bottle to go in. Huh. Wonder if there's anything good in here. Alright, these are the fun ones. Some little wipey. Got the key. Let's try this again from a different location. Open sesame. So they gotta have good stuff back here for it to be locked. A lot of people underestimate the baby snake, but bend it on the end and then it becomes a 3-inch snake. Look at that. As far as I'm concerned, this is a 3-inch snake. Where's this hole? Can't find the hole. This should be a piece of cake. That should be the house strap that I'm reaching right now. Oh, lovely. Beautiful. Lovely. Every time I stick it in, I get something. That is some nice stuff right there. Oh, yeah. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Alright, you know what? This area is getting a little messy. So, I don't want to be stepping in that. Let's look in here. Oh yeah, this is where the magic happens. This here, this is called the whole house trap. So if the problem is in the roadway, or anywhere after this point, if I open this, it will be full of water or it will fill the pit with water, either way. If this is not full of water, the problem is simply in between these two right here. So I'm hoping the problem's not in the street, because then I'll probably have to get the jetter all set up. This is another way to find out. Whichever cap comes off first. Okay, the problem is not in the roadway. The problem is in between these two caps. It's because in between these two caps, what's happening is there's a U. It's a trap. All right, so you look inside, it's empty. So this is what I'll do. Nah, I should probably open it up here just for you people. I could unclog it from there, but I won't do it. I'm gonna do it from here. This is all I brought inside. Look at that concrete, it's moving. Okay. All right, see? See inside here? It's not full, because you could see the opening that way. And that's clear too. They're the same. Okay. So it actually runs, the whole building comes here. At this point, it goes down, comes up at that point, and then continues that way. It's a U, underground. So let's use the baby snake, of course. This should be pretty quick. All right, baby snake for the win. Should be about, yep, 30 seconds at most. I don't want to get my light dirty. Of course I got another wipe. There it goes. So long. Safe travels. And that's all of this draining here. Bye-bye. Bon voyage. Yeah, all right. And over here, same thing. It's a lot of water they had here. Clean up on aisle 12. Look at that nasty stuff right here. All right, and it's still coming out. Things get caught in here, in between this cap and that cap. It's the U. It's the whole house trap. They get caught there because, you know, it's basically, it's 4 90-degree turns back to back in a rusty pipe. So, put some baby wipes, just 2-3 baby wipes. That'll do the whole building in. Okay, everyone, you can use the water again. Not like they weren't using the water. Happy flushing, everybody. Happy flushing. You need some new caps here, man. I'll put them on if he pays for them. Smell you later. Adios, arrivederci. Alright, let's blow this popsicle stick stand, whatever the saying is. Alright, you're all set.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.